The sea turtle sculpture I made a little while ago, I think it turned out really well, so I think I'm going to try to make another one. I got a few pieces here that could be appropriate. Who knows, I might make two. Oh yeah. Anyway, I just want to cut out the general shape. Unfortunately, we have a bit of rot here, so I'm going to try to make a paste with this dust and some wood glue to fill it. So crazy it might work. Anyway, we'll just set that aside to dry. Well, this turned out alright. It's going to be some assembly required. I'm going to send it to the recipient disassembled, and then they can just put it together, just for ease of shipping, but I don't want it to break. See you soon in Cammy's garage.